Hello, does cryptocurrency trading feel unfamiliar to you? Even if you want to get started, you may not know where or how to begin. So, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange.
Referral link. Before I explain the sign-up process, let me first show you how to apply the referral. The reason for using a referral is simple. If you sign up through the official Binance partner link, you can receive a 20% trading fee discount. A 20% trading fee discount may not seem like much, but if you trade over the long term, it can add up to a significant amount of money. That's why I recommend signing up using the referral. Please click the link in the video description below, or copy and paste the link into your browser to open it. Binance sign up. Now, let's go through the sign up process. First, enter the email address you want to use. You can use any email address, but I recommend using a Gmail or Naver email account, since trading notifications and deposit withdrawal notifications will be sent to this email. It's more convenient if you use an email address you check regularly. Next, agree to the terms of service and continue. You'll then reach the email verification step. Go to your inbox and copy the 6-digit verification code. Then simply paste it into the verification field. If you don't receive the email, be sure to check your spam folder as well. Once you've entered the code, the last step is to create your password. It must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number and one uppercase letter. Once you've set your password, your registration is complete. If you followed the steps exactly, your account has been created with the trading fee discount applied. Lastly, if you access the Binance app or website directly, you'll need to enter the discount code manually to receive the 20% trading fee discount. How to complete KYC verification. Next is the identity verification process that appears immediately after registration. If you do not complete identity verification, your deposits, withdrawals, and trading functions will be restricted, so it is required in order to use the exchange normally. There are 3 types of identification you can use for identity verification: a national ID card, a driver's license, or a passport. In this video, I'll explain the process using a national ID card. In the next step, you'll choose the verification method between the file upload method and the QR code scanning method. Please select the file upload method, then upload images of the front and back of your national ID card. Once the upload is complete, you'll move on to the live face verification step. Position your face within the frame, then follow the on-screen instructions, such as blinking your eyes or turning your head from side to side. Simply follow the requested actions, and the verification is usually completed within 5 minutes, or up to 1 hour at most. Once your identity verification is complete, we'll move on to the OTP setup.
How to set up OTP. I'll explain the process using Google Authenticator, which is the most widely used OTP app. Setting up OTP is essential for account security. Not only does it improve security, but if you don't set it up, your withdrawals may be restricted. So even if it feels inconvenient, I strongly recommend enabling it. First, go to the security section of your profile. There you'll find the OTP setup option. When you begin, you'll be asked to complete email verification, just like during registration. Copy and paste the email verification code. Then you'll see a QR code and a backup security key. To avoid problems in the future, be sure to save the backup security key somewhere safe. Doing so will help you avoid the hassle of resetting your OTP later. Next, download the Google Authenticator app from your phone's app store. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. Select Scan QR Code and scan the QR code displayed on the screen. An OTP will then be generated in the app. After that, complete the OTP verification once, and the setup is finished. Conclusion. Getting started may seem difficult at first, but if you follow today's video step by step, anyone can get started safely. That concludes the entire process, from signing up with a referral to completing KYC identity verification and setting up OTP. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.